Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add a transparent blur box in an image, right? As you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected an image template which is blank, right? And in the elements we can simply add any image. You can also upload your image. Here I am just selecting this image as background. I will set this image as background. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to elements again, and here I will simply search for frame and I will add this frame over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the same image into the frame. Okay, and now I'm going to select this image. I'm going to double click on this image inside the frame and going to increase the size of this image. Okay, and now we are just setting this image to fit inside the frame. Done. And now what we are going to do is we are going to blur this frame, but before that we are just going to increase the size, and then we are just going to reduce the image size again, right? Okay, done. And now what we are going to do is we are going to add effect to this frame, that is drop effect, right? And here I'm just adding some drop effect so it looks nicer, right? You can reduce the blurriness, right? You can also add glow effect if you feel it is required, right? You can increase the intensity, right, as per your requirement. But here I am just adding the drop effect, and here I am just increasing the offset and just changing the direction, right? And it's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this frame, and then again I'm going into the effects. No, I'm going to click on edit, and here in the edit we have tools, and I'm going to click on see all, and here I'm going to increase the blurriness of this image, and then going to click the close icon. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we can simply reduce the transparency as per our requirement, and as you can see, this box has been placed on the correct position and it is looking very nice. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.